and put myself in big trouble. Alone, no one to blame. I put myself. Hi, let's start with the introduction. Here's the first chart, and you'll have the C minor composed of the C, the D sharp, and the G, and the bass note of C. Then the D sharp major composed of the D sharp, the G, and the A sharp, and the bass note of D sharp. Then the A sharp major composed of the D, the F, and the A sharp, and the bass note of A sharp. And eventually, the G major composed of the D, the G, and the B, and either the bass of G or the bass of D. And here's the first method I'm going to teach you. 1, 2, 3, 4. So on 1, you play bass and chord. On 2, you don't play anything. On 3, you play the chord alone. And on 4, you play the bass alone. Just like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And now I'm gonna replay that chart using this time the D bass note. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And you can hear the vibe changing between this and that. Okay, so it's up to you. Just play the one you prefer sound-wise. And you'll move on to the verse with that same chart. Looking at the past, searching for the answer, trying to find a way to do it again. So once in a while, I go back in time, back to my old ways, and put myself in big trouble. So you either keep playing like that, or you double the chorus like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And you'll be able to play the chorus with the same chart and that new method. And put myself in big trouble. Alone, no one to blame. I put myself in big trouble. Alone, no one to blame for shit that I can't afford to change. And you're gonna replay this chart one last time, so twice for the verse, 4 times for the chorus, and feel free to choose your preferred method. Now for the second verse, which is actually twice as long than the first one, you will need to play the corresponding chart 4 times in total, then 4 times again for the second chorus. You will then reach the interlude, which you will play with the same chord order. This song doesn't really end, but if you wanted to, you could still finish it with the C minor. I wish you good luck for that song, and I will see you in the next one.